How to check defrost heater's defect. Switch off the refrigerator. Remove PCB cover and remove heater connector. Check resistance between blue and yellow wire. It should be 0.2 to 0.3 kilo ohms. Open grill fan assembly. Remove controller connector, fan motor connector and cord heater connector. Resistance of cord heater should be 0.3 to 0.4 kilo ohms approximately. Resistance of heater connector should be 1 to 1.5 kilo ohms approximately. Note: touch the terminal of the connector with multimeter probe properly.